Okay, so I want you to practice this problem. I am going to make it just a little bit different from the problem before. This time, I'm going to put both of the points to the left side of the y-axis, just to make it a little bit different. Okay, so you can start off by going through the steps from the previous videos and try to get the point slope form for these 2 points. Okay, so first thing, let's find the slope. So I went down 1, 2, 3, 4. And then right 1. Down is negative, right is positive. Negative 4 divided by 1, negative 4. The slope of this line is negative 4. Okay, next, I am going to write out the coordinates. So the top one there is negative 3, positive 3. Negative 3, 3. The other one is going to be negative 2, negative 1. Hey, so again, x value, y value, x value, y value. This time, I'm just going to pick the negative 3, 3. At least one of them is positive, so I definitely will choose that one over the negative 2, negative 1. I think back, y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. These are the locations, the x1, y1, where negative 3 and 3 are going to go. So the x1, that's going to be a negative 3. The y1, that's going to be a positive 3. Okay, so it's y minus 3 equals a negative 4. That was my slope from above. X minus a negative 3. Well, from your previous math classes, x minus a negative 3, these two become positive. And then everything else remains the same. Okay. So now that we've gotten the point slope equation for this line, we can actually take this point slope equation and get the slope intercept form. The y equals mx plus b. So let me show you how to do that. When in your previous math classes, the right side you can distribute. That becomes negative 4x and then minus 12. Okay, the slope-intercept form equation, you want y equals mx plus b. Well, on the left side, you have y minus 3. So all you have to do now is just add 3 to both sides to get y by itself. So now you have y equals negative 4x minus 9. That's your slope-intercept form. And then if we go back to the picture, you'll notice that if you were to draw in the line, I'm going to try my best here to connect these two, you would have to go way down on the y-axis to finally get to negative 9. It's way down there for on the y-axis to get the y-intercept of 0, negative 9. So if this is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, negative 9. So this line would have to all continue all the way down, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and it would cross here. It's way down there. I know it got really messy. So again, from point slope form to slope-intercept form. You distribute. And then you get y by itself. And then you have your slope-intercept form. So for review, we got slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. We have point-slope form, y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. And then the last one, standard form. That's your ax plus by equals